Most men believe everything is fine until it's not. They wake up, have their coffee, face the day with that feeling of something missing, but they can't put a name to it. Some blame stress. Others, age. Many simply resign themselves. But what if I told you that behind this silent apathy lurks an invisible, cunning enemy, growing increasingly common? We're not talking about a rare disease or sudden illness, but rather something that acts insidiously, eroding your energy, self-confidence, and even your identity. The decline of testosterone levels. Testosterone is a hormone that, for a man, is like the root of a tree. You can't see it from the outside, but everything depends on it. Vigor, motivation, desire, strength. And when it begins to decline, the impact isn't explosive. It's erosive. Your disposition fades without warning. Your sex drive gradually disappears. Your muscles start to give way to fat, even if you're eating almost the same. It's as if, suddenly, you're becoming more muted, quieter, more invisible. And the worst part? All of this can happen at 28, 36, or 52 years old. There's no right age. There are signs, and that's why we're here. Let's cut to the chase. There are symptoms that most men simply don't associate with hormones, and that's why they continue to suffer in silence. The first is a sense of emptiness. You wake up and feel like you're on autopilot, not happy, not sad, just neutral. It might seem trivial, but this is a serious warning sign. Then comes the second symptom, increasing irritability with minor things. The patience you once possessed dwindles in seconds. A simple traffic delay feels unbearable. The third symptom is the one that strikes men in silence with the most fear: erection difficulties. But the crucial detail here is that we're not talking merely about impotence. We're talking about the absence of that effortless firmness you used to have. Everything starts to hinge on the environment, the right stimulation, the luck of the day. And then comes the shame, the doubt, the fear. The fourth symptom is decreased physical stamina. Simple activities like climbing stairs, carrying bags, or running for 5 minutes already cause fatigue. And you realize you're falling behind, even without altering your routine. The fifth sign? Localized hair loss in atypical areas. While many believe it's simply genetics, they fail to realize that hormonal changes, particularly in free testosterone, directly impact the hair follicles. The sixth symptom is almost poetic: the loss of ambition. Yes, the man who dreamt, projected, desired more, now settles for the mundane. And this is not maturity, but biological depletion. Now, if you're recognizing at least 2 of these symptoms, it's time to hit the brakes. Not to despair, but to understand. Your body is sending out a distress signal. And yes, it's possible to reverse this. But first, if you're finding this content valuable so far, take the leap and join a larger community. Subscribe to the channel now. We're not here to offer shallow TikTok-style tips. This space is for those seeking to reclaim their energy, focus, and even the dignity that routine can strip away. And furthermore, let me know in the comments if you've recognized these symptoms. Cut to the chase. A simple "I've been there" can open the door for a conversation that another man desperately needs to have. Let's engage in genuine dialogue. There's no judgment here. This is a place for real men. When testosterone levels decline, it's not just the body that suffers. The mind unravels as well. The seventh symptom is among the most insidious because it's often mistaken for laziness or procrastination: the erosion of focus. Projects are initiated but left incomplete. Ideas materialize but remain trapped in the conceptual realm. Meetings transform into torture sessions. Concentration dissipates. This is not mere indolence. It's neurochemical dysregulation. Testosterone profoundly influences your capacity for decision-making, purposefulness, and enthusiasm for your endeavors. The eighth symptom is emotional, an unmotivated sadness. It doesn't quite amount to a diagnosed depression, but it's a melancholy that becomes permanent. You start isolating yourself. You decline invitations. You lose your easy laughter. And others think it's just a phase, but you feel something is amiss. You just can't put your finger on it. And the ninth symptom, perhaps the most frightening, is the loss of masculine identity. You stop seeing yourself as the man you were, and not because of traumas or existential crises. Simply, you cease to feel that internal fire that was once automatic. The good news, this is reversible. But you need to understand that the first step isn't buying supplements or rushing to an endocrinologist. It's facing reality, accepting that your body is crying out for help and that only you can respond. The mistake many people make is waiting until they're completely miserable before taking action. but those who act now prevent a future collapse. Reversing testosterone decline might seem daunting, but it hinges on 3 fundamental pillars: sleep, stimulus, and fuel. Sleep must be profound. No waking up 4 times a night or sleeping with the television on. Poor sleep is akin to attempting to recharge a battery with a broken wire. Without adequate sleep, hormonal recovery is impossible. Physical stimulus comes next. But it's not just about hitting the gym, it's about exertion, sweat, muscular overload. It could be a functional workout in your backyard, an intense run, or even climbing stairs with weight. Your body needs to understand that you're still in the fight. And finally, fuel. Healthy fats, clarified and natural, real protein, ample water, and a drastic reduction in alcohol, sugar, and ultra-processed foods. Seems basic? It is, because it works. Of course, there are more advanced strategies like optimizing with vitamin D3, zinc, magnesium, and even adaptogenic compounds like ashwagandha. But none of that matters if you're not willing to address the fundamentals. Testosterone is a reflection. It's a consequence. And it's your responsibility. Reclaiming your testosterone is more than just a health issue. It's an act of personal empowerment. When you restore your hormone levels to their optimal state, it's not just your body that benefits. Your mind sharpens. Your ambition rekindles. Your relationships transform. And best of all, you look in the mirror with newfound pride. And that is priceless. What you've heard so far isn't just theory. It's the lived reality of thousands of men who felt lost and chose to reclaim their power. What did they do? The fundamentals, executed with excellence. Consistency, clarity, courage. Now answer me this. Will you keep ignoring the signs? Will you pretend everything is fine? Or will you do something for yourself? Because if you've made it this far, you've already taken the first step. Now comes the second. Action. Start today. Adjust your sleep. Change your diet. Move your body. Reclaim your essence. And if all of this resonated with you, allow me to make one final invitation. Subscribe to this channel, really. This channel isn't just mine. It's ours. It's for you who want to connect, who are tired of pretending everything is fine and want to reconnect with your inner strength. And if this video helped you in any way, write in the comments, what did you learn from it? What resonated deeply with you? Share your story with the community. Because when one man speaks, other men recognize themselves. And together, we lift each other up.